Welcome to the Weave Atlanta Neighborhood Analysis site. This video will orient you to the basic functions of using this tool and show you some interesting examples to learn more about your neighborhood. The four components we will look at are the map, the legend, the scatter plot, and the data table. These four components interact with each other dynamically in order to provide you with the best available analysis. The map displays 102 of Atlanta's neighborhoods, which are divided into neighborhood statistical areas, or NSAs. By combining census tract data with geometries that coincide with neighborhood boundaries, researchers are now able to monitor trends at the neighborhood level. As you mouse over the neighborhoods, you will note that the Neighborhood Planning Unit, or NPU, is also listed. This is helpful in analyzing neighborhoods within a political context. Currently, the legend is displaying number of code violations in 2013. Click on the title and let's look at some other attributes. You have the categories on the left-hand side and the individual attributes on the right. It is worthwhile to spend time looking through these categories and examining all the information that is available to you. For now, select the category Health Insurance and pick % Civilian Non-Institutionalized Population with no health coverage. Save and close once complete. Notice how the map is now shaded differently, with the darker blue regions to the south and west of Atlanta and the lighter regions to the north and east. We can use the scatter plot to teach us more about what is displayed on the map. On the x-axis, click the label % Units Surveyed in Good Condition and navigate to Per Capita Income. Once you have it selected, click Save and Close and then look at the chart. As you can see, access to healthcare is strongly correlated with per capita income. This is dramatically illustrated by selecting the NSAs that have a per capita income over $40,000, the neighborhoods to the north and east of Atlanta. Additionally, the y-axis represents % of crimes that are violent from a 5-year average. The neighborhoods with the highest % of violent crimes are also the ones with the highest % of people without health insurance. Select the NSAs that have a 20+% violent crime rate and notice how this correlates with the lack of health insurance, neighborhoods in South and West Atlanta. This is an important illustration to understanding the historical, social, economic, and political implications of Atlanta. Another useful feature of this site is creating subsets based on your desired selection. Let's say you wanted to identify the top 40% quantiles of population without health insurance. Select the top two brackets, representing the 40%, and go to the Subsets menu. Select Create and Save Subset, give it a name, and then see how the map has changed. To return to the citywide analysis, go back to the Subsets menu and select Show All Records. The subset you created will remain in the menu for as long as you stay in the browser. Lastly, the data table is located at the very bottom center of the page. Click to open it and it shows every NSA listed on the map with the corresponding NPU. If you want to analyze neighborhood attributes by NPU, you can sort them in order by clicking on the title. To add individual attributes that you want to analyze, click on the wrench and navigate to the familiar Attribute Selector menu. Once you have added what you are looking for, you can export the data table as a .csv file compatible with Excel. Click on the Advanced tab and click on Export Data to save it to your computer. The best way to learn this tool is to play around with it. You will soon find that there is a wealth of information that is useful in many capacities, whether you are a policymaker, business owner, or a concerned citizen. Take time to learn more about your neighborhood and see how it fits into the broader citywide context. Thank you for using the City of Atlanta Neighborhood Weave site and enjoy your analysis.